Hey everyone, it's Graham here, and today I'm breaking down the top 5 things you need to know before the stock market opens on Thursday, April 3rd, 2025. First up, we have a significant market drop and it's all about tariffs. Dow futures nosedived over 1,000 points, a whopping 2.5%. Nasdaq 100 and P 500 futures also took a hit, down 3.4% and 3.1% respectively. The big question here is why? Well, President Trump announced higher than expected tariffs, and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent mentioned that the sell-off was more about a pullback in big tech stocks. Speaking of tariffs, the new U.S. policy is a 10% baseline tariff on all imports. But that's not all. Specific countries like the EU, Taiwan, China, and Vietnam are getting hit even harder with rates up to 46%. These figures are claimed to be half of what those countries charge the U.S., but there's been some dispute around this calculation. Now, on to the global reaction. The EU and China are not happy, not one bit. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen and China's Ministry of Commerce have both promised retaliation against these new tariffs. It looks like we're gearing up for a global trade battle. Let's talk Tesla. Shares experienced some serious volatility. They initially dropped due to lower than expected Q1 vehicle deliveries, which were down 13% year over year. But then, reports surfaced about Elon Musk potentially leaving his White House role, causing a brief rally. Despite this, Tesla shares were still down 6% pre-market because of the tariff announcement. Finally, a bidding war for TikTok's US operations is heating up. Amazon and Apploven have both submitted bids as ByteDance's divestiture deadline approaches on April 5th, though it might be extended. The sale is mandated by the US government, and it's clear that big players are eyeing TikTok's massive user base. So, to recap, we've got a dramatic market drop due to tariffs, new tariffs causing global tension, Tesla's stock roller coaster, and a TikTok bidding war. It's definitely a day to watch the markets closely. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. See you next time.